Hello everyone, and welcome to my new video. In the previous video, I walked you through the login process of the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Photogrammetry software. In today's video, I will be explaining the dashboard and its complete workflow. Before we begin, I would like to mention that the dashboard I am demonstrating here is from an existing account. I am not using the account created in the previous video, as it was completely new and did not contain any data. Using an account with existing data will help you better understand the features and functionality. Let's get started with the dashboard overview. On the top left corner, you will find the Profile section. By clicking on it, you can view your account details such as your name, email ID, phone number, GSTIN, address, and other relevant information. You can edit the GSTIN here. Next, we move to the Projects section. Here, under Projects Area Mapped, you can see your total mapped area, along with the area mapped in the current month and the previous month. Additionally, it provides a summary of the total area mapped over the last few months. Below that, you will find different project categories. Pending refers to projects that have not yet been processed. Recent includes projects that are either completed or yet to be processed. Recent Outputs displays the latest outputs and updates from your projects. In Processing shows the projects that are currently under processing. The Demo section contains sample projects to help you understand the workflow in a practical way. You can also view an overall summary of your project status, including completed, in progress, and pending projects, along with the total number of projects created. Now, let's move to the Payment section. In this section, you can manage your processing and storage billing, as well as view your active subscription and storage plans. To purchase a processing plan, click on New Plan. You can then select the plan duration, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. After that, choose your preferred currency, either INR or USD. Enter the required area in hectares, for example, 500 hectares, and the system will automatically calculate the total cost. Similarly, for the storage plan, click on New Plan. You can choose from 3-month, 6-month, 12-month, or booster plans. Enter your required storage capacity, for example, 1,000 gigabytes, and select the currency to view the total cost. You can also access detailed pricing information from this section. Next, we have the Products section. From here, you can download the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace desktop application, the controller application for the Surveyaan drone, and the controller application for the SurveyPod. So now, let's move to the Storage section. At the top, you can see 3 key options. Projects Stored, which shows the total number of projects currently saved in your storage. Total Raw Images, which indicates the total size of all raw images uploaded, and Total Outputs, which shows the total size of processed outputs generated from your projects. This gives you a quick overview of your overall storage usage. On the right side, you can see the Storage Billing and Plans section. Here, you have multiple options. In the New Plan section, users can purchase additional storage by selecting a suitable duration, such as 3, 6, or 12 months, entering the required space in gigabytes, and reviewing the cost calculated per gigabyte per month before proceeding with the purchase. The Manage Plan section provides a complete overview of all active and unused plans, where users can check important details like plan duration, purchase date, and expiry date, and also prioritize unused plans by arranging them so that the top plan gets activated next. In the Edit Unused Plans section, users can assign specific projects to a selected storage plan, ensuring that important data remains stored safely within that plan and is protected from deletion based on storage limits or expiry timelines. Lastly, the expired plan section displays all plans that have already expired, along with their details such as plan space and expiry date. And it is important to regularly review this section because any projects under expired plans may be permanently deleted if they are not moved to an active plan. Below that, you can see the storage usage graph, which shows the space used and the space left. This helps you visually understand how much storage you have consumed and how much is still available. You can also see the plan duration, including the start date and expiry date. There is also an important note that your stored projects will be permanently deleted after the plan expires if they are not included in the next purchased plan. Below that, you can see the active plan details section, where you get complete information about your current storage plan, such as the plan ID, total storage space, plan duration, purchase date, start and end dates, and booster plan details if applicable. Moving to the main section, you can see projects under active plan, which includes all the projects currently using your active storage plan. For each project, you can view details like project name, raw image size, and output size or status, and you can also perform actions to access or manage the project. Further down, you will find the Completed Projects Not Additionally Stored section. These are completed projects that have not been moved to additional storage. For each project, you can see the output size, raw image size, and deletion date and time, which tells you exactly when your project data will be deleted. If you want to keep your project data for a longer time, you can click on Move to Additional Space, which will save your project in your purchase storage plan and prevent it from being deleted. Finally, we have the Blog section. This section allows you to explore various blogs related to the platform and underlying technologies. Each blog provides useful insights and updates. You can click on Read More to dive deeper into any topic of interest. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand the dashboard and its workflow clearly. Thank you for watching.